This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 25 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. Is this a quarter of the way through? I think it may just be. We're continuing the index finger this time, after looking at the illusion of victory. Victory, never an illusion, it's always victory. There we go. Captain America there, I recognise that one. Looking through the other artwork, nothing else that springs to mind there, but I'm sure I know most of them. So part 2 of the index finger is the fingertip, reminiscent of doing the thumb. It works in exactly the same way. We put the little bracket in and then snap it together. So yeah, we'll get that there. Star Fox, that's not the Nintendo character. They're different. That would be an interesting crossover, but no, it's not the Nintendo character. Yeah. Alan Davies, again, not that one, not the comedian one. This is an artist. I don't know him. There we go. He's obviously done these covers. Nice stuff. I like that. That's quite nice. Some of these I'm not so fond of, but that one's quite good. I like that. Right, let's clear it out of the way and let's get this fingertip assembled. So we've got the other half of this. I can't remember which one's which now, but we've got the other half of it and the half from before. The bracket that's got to go inside the tip, tags of screws, and the other part from before as well. So these are going to go together thusly, but not just like that. This has got to go in the middle bit first. Got this T-shaped cut out on both sides. So that goes in there and in there, and that will be, I assume, the inside of the finger. It looks that way. But we've got to hold this together with some screws. No, just the one screw, a silver screw through that, because the other bit is held together with a big bolt thing that's going to go through there at some point. So for now, we just put the big silver screw through here to hold that together. Now this is going into plastic, so you do want to be more wary of tightening this, but it does still need to be tight enough to hold it all together. So yeah, tighter than that, because there's still that little bit of wobble. I would suggest tightening as much as you like, and then feeling if there's any play at all. If there's no play, you're probably okay. I'm just going to give it a fraction more. That I am now happy with, like so. Then we need the other screw, the black screw, to hold. Get those out of the way. That will hold this bracket into the tip there, same as it did on the thumb. That goes in there. Use that screwdriver for that. Get that in. And again, tighten that up. That is not moving. And then that will go over there. It's got to be that way round because it won't fit the other way round. That goes on there and then should just snap together. Ooh, I do like it when it snaps together. So yes, there we have the index finger, the next part of it done. There is one more part of this delivery. I shall do that and we'll see what that looks like after that. So let's have a look at the magazine in a couple of days. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.